Hello everyone, thank you for coming to the MGS channel. And my topic for today is how to wash your hands clean. First, what you want to do, because when you came in, there was a bunch of germs on that doorknob or handle. So what you want to do with your phone is put it in your pocket, because you don't want to set it anywhere in the bathroom. There's a lot of germs. This is a really dirty and filthy place. So what you want to do is come on down here to the sink with me. And what you want to do is get the soap on your hands, get the water temperature to where you want it, wet your hands, and wash. But count with me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now make sure you're getting in between your fingers so all the germs are dying off. And then count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, make sure that you clean your hands and you're rinsing them now. So make sure you rinse them really well to get all them dead germs and viruses off your hands. And after you're done, here's the biggest mistake people do wrong. They touch this. The germs are right back on your hand. So use your arm to turn off the water. Come over here or wherever you have paper towel and really dry your hands really good so all the germs are off. And what you want to do with this paper towel or whatever you have, but never touch that doorknob, because as you can see, there's germs right there. So here's what you want to do. Grab it with, there you go. Grab it with a paper towel, napkin, piece of toilet paper, whatever you need to do. If you need to, use a piece of paper towel or toilet paper to grab the doorknob to leave. It's worth it, because now cleaning your hands will stay clean longer, even when you leave the public bathroom. But you don't want to pick up any diseases that are in a public bathroom. Public bathrooms are dirty because there's a lot of people that are going to the restroom and then they're not washing their hands and they're touching that knob. Okay? So I want to thank you for coming to my channel, and we'll see you again.